Hello guys, my name is Katia Valino. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today in this channel, I will be teaching you and doing DIY retinol serum. This is what we are going to be making today. But however, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button so that you can follow along and help us build this family. Now, what is retinol? You must have heard retinol, collagen, especially on TV commercials. Retinol will help to stimulate the cells or the dead cells or the weak cells in your face, in your body, to help activate the production of collagen. Now let me show you how you can make retinol or add retinol into your daily moisturizer. Things we need in making this retinol is just a little bit of aloe vera, jojoba oil, and distilled water. We will be using distilled water. Make sure you are using a clean blender, or you can buy a new blender, because you don't want to use the same blender that you use to make your smoothies, to make something that you will be applying on your skin. So I have a brand new blender here and the sterilized knife. So I'll be taking the gel of the aloe vera. As we all know that aloe vera is very good to tighten our pores and tighten our skin, and also help to fight wrinkles. So you take a little bit and you put it in here. I am going to blend this aloe vera gel. Do not add any water to this. Distilled water, I'll be using only 2 ounces because we're not making a lot. I have about 2 ounces of distilled water. You want to add the blended aloe vera into the distilled water. Whisk it around. Thing you want to be adding is 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. So you add 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is also very good for mature skin. It's very light on your skin and it will help to dissolve the sebum. If you have sebum that are clogging up your pores, jojoba oil will help to dissolve those excess sebum that might be causing you some pimples. So you whisk it around. The major ingredient is vitamin A. Vitamin A is what is considered to be the retinol on its own. Some vitamin A here. My kids went to buy the small one. Sorry, I have to use what I have. If you have the big vitamin A, just use about 2 big tablets, but I don't have the big one. I'm using what I have, so dump in some drops of vitamin A. Make sure you are using a sterile skewer to punch the hole. I have 5 of the 10,000 IU, 5 of the 10,000 IU, which is 50,000 IU of vitamin A, and you want to whisk it around. You want to add a little bit of vitamin E to avoid oxidation. Just a drop of vitamin E. And whisk it around again. Now you have your retinol. Because retinol is very photosynthesis and photosensitive. You want to be storing them in an opaque bottle. The bottles needs to be dark. They don't agree with the light. So you put them in the opaque bottle. I have my retinol. Here you can use it the way it is before you apply your moisturizer, or you can mix this with your moisturizer. It is very good, especially at night, to avoid sunlight. So I have my retinol. You just need a little as small as the pea pea size. And you apply it on your skin. This is recommended for you to use within 3 to 5 days. After the 5th day, you need to toss this in the trash and make another one to help to stimulate the collagen production, fight wrinkles, and keep your skin younger looking. Remember the key to retinol: very photosynthesis. Take it away from the sun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.